Hi guys! So,
Welcome to another vlog. We just got a new package
from Grandma Deb.
Deb.
So this egg is a sleepover egg because there's a mask for your eyes so you can sleep, and then there's a cape if you want to wear it when you're sleeping. There's a pillowcase, and then there's like this
Wall decals. I think that's
Wall
decoration
decals.
for the wall.
and then here a mystery figure, and then there's a keychain.
Okay, so those are all surprises.
Mystery-
So there's not much inside here.
Yeah, not much.
Well, why don't you guys
but
check
the
it out
super
first?
tight. Now I'm gonna open the egg. I'm already opening it.
Okay. Maybe Keona can help you.
Okay, you can help. This one, okay? Thank you, Grandma Deb, for this present. It's so
Open the egg.
Oops.
Ooh, that was fast.
Ooh,
Look at this.
the mystery figure.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Let's open it one by one, guys.
Now let's open this one. Let's go open this
And then
one.
I'll open this one.
Okay, one at a time. Kuya first. Kuya
Me
first.
I'm just gonna get the scissors, okay? 1 minute.
Careful with the scissors.
Oh, this is the.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, cool.
Let's go.
Cool. We didn't get this one yet.
We didn't got the ninja.
No, this
Okay,
one.
let's see who's this.
We already
Let's
have.
see who's this. Okay.
We don't have all of
Oh, we got this this guy right here.
See? No, Mama, see.
Look at him.
this. He's lamb.
There. Who is that? What
This
is that?
Robot Ryan.
Oh, Robot Ryan. Okay.
And this is a keychain. It can attach to your thingy.
First surprise was, what's it called?
Robot Ryan.
First surprise is Robot Ryan.
And
Okay.
it can go to your bag if you want to put it in your bag. So
Okay.
this is a very good thingy to bring when you're camping. So you can remember Ryan if you forgot him.
Okay. Okay, I think Kuya needs to help you with the scissors, my love. Please be careful.
Let's see. Oh, we got a. Can I see?
Got this one.
Oh, we got this guy. We got this guy. This guy right here.
Oh, here's the one.
This guy, not God.
So
This
you
guy
remember
right
Who is
here.
he?
No.
This guy.
Who is he?
Kuya, we already have this one. So this is
So
the
we got,
We have to.
but it doesn't say his name. I think he's a bad guy. Oh,
Can I
let's
see?
Go open him up. So this guy is right here.
Mm-hmm.
There he is. And then this guy.
He has a gun.
I think this is a gun or a laser gun.
Okay. What's the name of that character? Is that Ryan too?
Yeah, this is Ryan being a bad guy because there's also a Dark Titan and he's also bad. So I think this is his friend.
Oh,
Now let's open this one.
we're on to the third surprise.
It's the mask.
Oh, can I see the mask?
What was our
So
third
this
surprise?
Is the mask.
What
right
mask
here.
is that? What's it called?
Red Titan mask.
Red Titan mask.
So now let's go and open this one up.
Okay, what is that?
I
Oh,
have
that's a big one.
I have a good feeling with this, and then I will open this one up.
What do you think? Wait, what about you guess? Let's see if you can guess what's
This is
inside.
for the pillow.
I'll open this one.
I know that this thing is for the pillow. What does
One
that
at a time, one at a time, ate.
Okay, what did you got? Okay, you might hit me with that. Oh my god. What's
You're
this
gonna
one?
be surprised for this one, Kuya. It's your pillowcase.
Wait, what?
Is it a pillowcase?
Yeah, it is a pillowcase. This is the pillow. Yeah, it is.
Can you put
a
it here
pillowcase.
so we can see? There you go.
Now let's open this.
Oh, it's a
And then
pillowcase.
and then in the other side,
It says Ryan. Maybe those are Ryan's favorite things.
that's Ryan's people.
Oh, that's his people.
That is Peck. That is French fries. That is soccer ball. That's his combo panda. That's Mo. And that's Gus. And there's
Okay.
the Titan right here.
Where's Red Titan?
Just
Oh,
right
there he is.
And
Ryan,
then
the Red Titan.
And here's Mo. Here's Gus. Okay, let's go open this.
What's next?
I'm gonna
You have
open
the
last
keychain. You have the bad guy, Ryan.
No, this is mine.
Hold on. Keona, that's Kuya's egg, right? Didn't you have an egg for your birthday?
And I didn't
Okay.
have one.
I can.
I broke mine.
Oh, Kuya, maybe you should give her
By
a prize.
accident.
Maybe you should give her a prize to pay for the thing you broke.
Okay. So we got this thingy. I don't even know what is it because I got to cut this.
Can you guess what it is, Keona?
Wait, I'm gonna see what this
It's a blanket.
Let's see. You think it's a blanket? It could be. It's pretty big.
I think it's the cave. This is so hard to open. Ryan, this is so hard to open. Huh?
Can you make it easier, please?
Is that the last surprise?
Yeah, this is.
And he's my turn to open now.
Okay.
Wait. Ooh, joy. What did you say? What it was? This?
Blanket.
It is a blanket. Joy.
Okay, now.
Can you spread it here, Kuya? Put it on top of the thingy
No,
so we can see.
this thing.
Wow, that's pretty cool. It says, let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
And then there's another side also.
Okay, what does the other side say?
There's also a pocket.
Oh,
look.
nice. What are you going to put in the pocket?
Like my drink.
Nice, that's pretty cool. Pretty
And then
cool.
there's another pocket.
So, how many things were in the surprise egg? 5 things?
No, there's one more.
Oh, there's one more. Okay.
Oopsie. Maybe it's a tattoo. If it's a tattoo, we're gonna put it now.
No.
No, I think it's, I don't know,
The sticker was.
decoration for the wall. Is it a wall decal? Excuse you. Let me see.
Oh yay, she's a girl.
Wait, what is this? Is this for the? Is this sticker rolls?
It's wall decals. You can put it on the wall. You can put it in the playroom tomorrow.
Oh yeah. And then we have. So we have Red Titan. The logo of the thingy right here.
Of
I
Ryan.
can see.
Of this thing just right there. And then here is Alexa and who's this one? Sheldon. Here's Sheldon.
Not Sheldon.
Here's Sheldon.
Sheldon.
And then here is Combo Panda and the soccer ball. Okay.
Recap. What did the surprise egg have?
This,
That's
the
2.
pillowcase, this,
Oh, the mask, the blanket,
this,
and the wall
and
decals.
this.
So 6 things.
Open.
Okay.
So thank you, Grandma Deb, for giving me this thingy that is a what do you call it again? Ryan sleepover egg.
Now, what gift did Keona get? Oh my gosh, it's a costume. So, Grandma got you. Is that the new Elsa costume?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, what else did you get? And then later on, you'll try it on and you can model, okay?
And then I got.
A crown? Is that a crown?
I'm gonna build a condo already.
No, I'm not ready.
Okay,
When she's gonna get dressed. Is that jewelry? Oh, it's a necklace.
It's not a necklace, Mama.
It's
It
not.
is. You have the
Oh,
dress?
Another package.
I have to make
Okay.
I need scissors.
Kuya, can you lend
I
her
didn't
this?
got the scissors.
Check. Maybe it just got covered by some of this.
Oh, there. Now I got. What did I get? What is this? Oh, the boot.
Oh, nice. You get the boots too?
Yeah, I want to try boot.
Okay. We'll try everything. Open everything first, then we'll try it out. You also got some gloves. And a wand. You ready to change, Keona? So we can show them?
So hey guys, I'm gonna change right now and then I'll show you how it looks like.
Okay. There's Princess Elsa. And stop. Wow.
That's it for our vlog. Don't forget to hit the notification button and see you guys next time. Bye.
Where's Kuya? What happened to Kuya? He's cleaning up. Bye, Kuya. He's cleaning up the mess. Thank you for cleaning up.
Okay.
See you guys again next time.
Okay.
Bye.